When it comes to pickup trucks, most people expect rugged looks, brute strength, and no-nonsense functionality. But Isuzu has decided to challenge that notion with something truly unexpected, a commercial pickup that combines luxury, capability, and comfort like never before. Introducing the all-new Isuzu D-Max V-Cross Commercial, a truck that's both luxury in the front and business in the back. Designed specifically for the UK market, the D-Max V-Cross Commercial targets professionals who demand both refinement and resilience from their vehicle. Whether it's farmers, tradespeople, or construction crews, this new variant is built to deliver premium comfort on the road while still being a reliable workhorse on site. It's the perfect partner for those who need their truck to pull double duty, one moment cruising the motorway, the next hauling tools through muddy terrain. At first glance, you'd hardly guess this is a commercial vehicle. The D-Max V-Cross Commercial borrows its stylish exterior directly from the top-tier V-Cross passenger model. It features sleek bi-LED headlights, dark gray body accents, and striking 18-inch alloy wheels that make it stand out from the typical utilitarian pickup crowd. What sets this version apart is its practical design tweaks, including a lightweight bed canopy for cargo protection, a durable bed liner, and a factory-fitted tow bar, all ready for business right out of the gate. Inside, however, the transformation becomes apparent. The dual-cab body style remains, but the rear passenger seats have been completely removed. In their place is a secure, enclosed load area that maximizes storage space while keeping valuable equipment safe from theft or the elements. The rear windows are tinted for extra privacy, and the front seats come covered with protective materials for durability. Isuzu made sure this setup is permanent to comply with commercial vehicle regulations, ensuring owners benefit from the proper classification and tax advantages. Despite being a working truck, the D-Max V-Cross Commercial doesn't skimp on comfort or technology. The cabin feels more like a premium SUV than a utility vehicle. Drivers are treated to a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 7-inch digital instrument display, dual-zone climate control, leather seats, and even heated seating for those chilly UK mornings. A robust 8-speaker sound system rounds out the premium feel, while advanced safety systems, including Isuzu's ADAS suite, help keep drivers safe and confident in any condition. Under the hood, the D-Max V-Cross Commercial sticks with Isuzu's proven 1.9-liter turbo diesel engine. It produces 162 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system that includes a rear differential lock. While the more powerful 3.0-liter engine remains unavailable in the UK, this setup still delivers exceptional pulling power and reliability. It's capable of carrying a full 1-ton payload and towing up to 3.5 tons, figures that make it as tough as any other truck in its class. In terms of price, the Isuzu D-Max V-Cross Commercial starts at £41,995, around $56,500 before taxes. That positions it slightly above the base D-Max utility trim, but still competitive given its premium features. Deliveries are set to begin in November across the UK and Northern Ireland. For comparison, the entry-level D-Max utility starts at £27,755, around $37,300, while the passenger-oriented V-Cross costs £38,255, around $51,400. With its combination of high-end comfort, modern tech, and unstoppable toughness, the D-Max V-Cross Commercial redefines what a work truck can be. It's proof that professionals no longer have to choose between luxury and utility. They can have both. Whether towing heavy loads or heading to a client meeting, this pickup promises to handle both with confidence and style.